Hello everyone, this is MD Ariful Islam Mojumdar from Human Computer Interaction Lab, Department of Digital and Aging Healthcare, Inji University, South Korea. My presentation on Overview Technology Roadmap of the Future Trend of Metaverse based on IoT, blockchain, AI technique, and medical domain metaverse activity. I have cooperated with Mohammad Mohsin Shiraz, Ali Attar, Satyavad Darsai, Supervisor, and H. Kim, Supervisor. My topics indexes is Introduction, Metaverse Technique, Metaverse in Medical Domain, Treatment using Metaverse Technology, Conclusion. Introduction. Recent era technology is rapidly changing with way we interact the physical world around us. Metaverse is the upcoming new big tech changes in the tech industry. It is defined as a collection of technology gadgets. The metaverse is a virtual shared space that everyone can access. It's catch-all term that refers to the entire digital and virtual world. Metaverse, virtual reality, and augmented reality is invading healthcare, medicine, and innovative technology based on AR and VR emerging to improve medical education and training as well as processes and procedures. VR is a technology that substitutes one vision of the physical world with a digitally produced sense using software and headgear devices. AR is a technology that combines the digital and physical worlds. It uses computer vision techniques such as object recognition, plane detection, face recognition, and movement tracking to recognize real-world surfaces and objects. Using VR, AR, and MR technology, doctors make their dream smart digital operation theater healthcare, where everyone can watch live patient videos operations which looks like real operations. In this study, we are going to describe what technology metaverse is using and metaverse potentiality in medical healthcare and a proposed approach. Metaverse technique. The metaverse contains elements of four scenarios. Picture Figure 1 shown the technological roadmap of metaverse. 1. Communication computing infrastructure, fundamental technology, virtual reality object connection, virtual reality space convergence. Metaverse technique. Figure 1. A complete technology roadmap of metaverse. Metaverse technique. Communication computing infrastructure. The fifth generation and the sixth generation are the communication foundation of the metaverse. In 5G and 6G network environment, quantum communication ensures the communication security in the metaverse. IoT sensing provides user with a completely real, lasting, and smooth interactive experience that bridged the metaverse and the real world. Cloud computing, edge computing, and the other computing paradigm can promote the development of computing power to some content extent and become the main infrastructure of the metaverse. Metaverse technique, fundamental technology. The metaverse is defined as a virtual space where user can interact with 3D objects, and 3D virtual avatar of each other in a complex manner that mimics the real world. Hold things developed using artificial intelligence techniques. The three elements of AI, namely data, algorithm, and computing power, play a vital role in the establishment and development of the metaverse. Utilizing computer vision, intelligence voice, language processing, and other technologies, users have the same visual and auditory sen- sensations as in the real world. And the ultimate from of the metaverse is the parallel digital space time continuum of real human society. So, consistent spatio-temporal data is critical for mapping between the real world and the metaverse. Metaverse technique, virtual reality object connection. Here we shown a picture. The metaverse will serve as a bridge between the physical and digital worlds, in inextricably linked to support for identity modeling, decentralization technology, and social computing. Every part of the metaverse believes in the concept of decentralization, which need the help of the underlying technology of decentralization to ensure the security and operation of the metaverse. Metaverse social computing included avatar description, avatar identification, avatar interaction, and avatar organizational work. Metaverse technique, virtual reality space convergence. Here also we show a figure that is related with metaverse extended reality. Now we are going to explain extended reality in metaverse. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality is a technology that blends the digital and real worlds. It uses computer vision to recognize real-world surface and objects using technology such as object recognition, plane detection, facial recognition, and movement tracking, among others. A brain-computer interface system consists of four sequential components: signal acquisition, feature extraction, feature translation, and device output. These four components are controlled by a operating protocol that defines on the onset and timing of operation, the details of signal processing, the nature of the device commands, and the oversight of performance. Metaverse technique, virtual reality, space convergence. Metaverse video game platform using the real-time rendering for metaverse avatar because of the reality of avatar. 3D rendering is the process of proceeding an image based on the three-dimensional data stored on our computer. Metaverse in medical room. VR AR handsets are utilizing to see vital real-time patient data such as heart rate, blood temperature, blood pressure, and breathing rate in addition of preoperative images from CT, MRI, and 3D scans. Virtual reality is highly using for effective medical training, pain management, and for medical education. Augmented reality is currently being used by nurses and physicians to improve vein detection. This lab solves to challenge of finding a vein for many people, even if their skin is heavily pigmented or their blood veins are small. Metaverse in medical domain. Metaverse activities in healthcare, remote surgery, telepresence, augmented reality surgery, 3D anatomy models for education, visualization, diagnosis and planning, architectural design for healthcare facility, preventive medicine and patient education, haptic-aided rehabilitation, visualization of massive medical databases, treatment planning, medical therapy, pain control, physiotherapy, thought, VR, surgery simulation, treatment using metaverse technology. In this figure, we shown our proposed process for patient general treatment using metaverse technology. Firstly, we will define patient's objective and then we collect patient's information using our application. After getting patient's information, send it to Metaverse world and make it a virtual 3D data. Now we will select VR or AR which is necessary for patient. Then Metaverse will plan for a treatment and the Metaverse will perform with treatment planning. This is our primary architecture and we will modify it depend on our project demand. We are working Metaverse Group, Human Computer Interaction Research Lab in the university. Conclusion: we are very stoked that we can contribute to the beautiful new world. On the final note, technology giants such as Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, Google, and many gaming companies have ambitious plans for materializing the metaverse. In this paper, we discuss the technology roadmap of metaverse technology and the medical domain activity of the metaverse. In future, we will propose metaverse for smart healthcare facilities. Our keywords: IoT, blockchain, artificial intelligence, healthcare, extended reality, metaverse. Thank you everyone. Thank you for your attention.